Growing a beard is absolutely a rewarding experience. However, beard growth comes with challenges. And one of the largest and most dreadful that most new beard growers out there face, or even seasoned experienced growers out there, is beard itch. So what is it? Having an itchy beard can be caused by a variety of factors, including new hair growth, bad grooming techniques, and even having dry skin. You see, if you're not used to how a beard feels when you first start to grow it, the new hair that comes out of your hair follicles causes a lot of friction. Additionally, if you're not very well seasoned into beard growing techniques and grooming practices for beards, then you may not know that there are beard products that you should be using to kind of alleviate those symptoms. So what are some tips for how to soothe an itchy beard and prevent itchiness in the first place? The first one is going to be the most important one, which is just generally keeping your beard clean. Regularly washing your beard is going to be crucial in preventing that itchiness for a few reasons. Firstly, washing your beard helps get rid of a lot of the excess oils, which can be causing things like buildup of dirt, skin cells, other debris that's floating around in the air. And by getting rid of that buildup, you're reducing the chance that that buildup can get into a pore, cause acne, irritation, anything like that. When you're cleaning your beard, it's really important to use a dedicated beard and face wash or shampoo. That's because they tend to be a lot more gentle than shampoos that you're probably used to using for the hair on your head. So use a beard wash instead about 2 to 3 times a week. Tip number 2 is one you've definitely heard of before, which is Hydrate with beard oil. You've definitely heard of beard oil before. It's the magic product that every beard man out there uses. And ultimately, the hype is correct. It's a must-have for any bearded guy who wants to keep their beard healthy. And that is because it provides some immediate hydration, softness, and shine to your beard. Why is this important? Well, remember those flakes and buildup I was talking about earlier when you should wash and clean your beard? Well, if the beard and the skin underneath get too dry, it causes an excess amount of those flakes, which can be reduced greatly in the first place just by using something like beard oil. You're gonna wanna look for something natural, kind of like Volt's beard oil that's made from natural ingredients. That way you're not putting any kind of unsustainable chemicals or harshness on your face. Tip number 3 is to exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation is a useful trick that helps you get rid of a lot of the itchiness that's associated, again, with dry skin. Using something like a facial scrub or anything with those exfoliating beads 1 to 2 times a week should greatly help reduce the amount of excess oils, buildup, and debris in your beard, as well as clean off any of those areas of your skin that have been dry and cause flake. Step 4 is to consider using beard balm instead of beard oil. And now you may wonder why you would want to do that. And that is because beard balms are usually a blend of the oils and some butters and waxes like shea butter or beeswax. And the reason it helps is because that thickness helps it last a bit longer in the beard. It doesn't get sucked in too quickly and dry too quickly. It also provides you some added styling benefit to your beard if you're trying to keep your beard in shape or anything like that. Beard balm is definitely the way to go. Tip number 5 is you should brush your beard daily. Using a natural boar bristle brush with medium stiff tines in there and bristles is going to do a lot for helping you not only exfoliate the skin underneath your beard, but spread oils which your beard needs throughout your beard evenly. It's definitely a habit I would argue next to beard oil in terms of importance. Okay, last but not least, tip number 7 is going to be avoiding touching or scratching your beard unnecessarily. It can be hard to stop. It's almost like, you just have to scratch. It's like a mosquito bite or something. But you definitely don't want to get in the habit of touching your beard and fiddling around with it too often, because doing this can cause a lot of premature losing of those hairs. You can cause wear to the hair follicles. You can cause your beard to appear thin in certain areas and ultimately cause damage or even excess issues with irritation for the skin underneath your beard. If it's itchy, I know it's a weird thing to do, but you want to pat it gently instead of scratching it. That way you can kind of relieve that itch until you are able to find a more permanent solution like beard oil beard balm or something like that. All in all, having an itchy beard is definitely a pretty common thing and something I would argue that most bearded guys have probably experienced at one point in their life. So if you're curious about any of these products, you want to try any of our products, I'll have links to those in the description. If you guys found this video interesting or helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It greatly helps out the channel and it keeps you informed when we have other beard growing videos or instructional videos or how-tos or anything like that coming up. I just want to say thank you guys again for watching. I will see you in the next video.